Hello children. Today we are going to discuss about the topic types of maps. Our key concepts are a map, its uses, types of maps, map making. First we will discuss about globes and maps. A globe. What is a globe? A globe is a miniature model of the earth. Miniature means mini model of the earth. It shows the complete earth at a time. If we have to see the complete earth, we can see the globe. It is exactly like earth. But it is not easy to carry it everywhere. See, you can see the globe. See, it is exactly like earth. It has given the axis also, as we have read in our previous chapter. Axis also given, the north pole and the south pole, and it is tilted also. So it is exactly like earth, but to show earth, we cannot carry this globe everywhere. It is not easy to carry everywhere. But it also, when we want to study a particular part of the earth in detail, we need maps. We cannot study the detailed part of the earth from globe. We need maps that time. A map is a drawing or diagrammatic representation of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface like paper. What is map? Map is a drawing of the earth on a paper. It is a diagrammatic representation of the whole earth or a part of the earth on a paper, on a surface like earth. In other words, a map is a picture or representation of a place that shows its relationships with other places. It also shows the relationship with one place to another. It also shows the important features of that place. Map also shows the important feature of a particular place which we want to know. How are maps useful? Now, we'll come to know how these maps are useful for us. Maps are useful in many ways. They are easy to refer to and give a lot of information. Maps can give us lot of information and it is easy to refer to anyone. They help us locate places like towns, cities, etc. If we have to locate any particular place, any town, any city, so we can see the map. We can refer the map. Nowadays we have maps in our smart mobiles also. So from smart mobiles, if we are going to any place, we have to find out any address, any particular area, we can open the map and we can find out that place. They can tell anything related to a place, like its physical features. If we want to know what is the physical feature of that place, we can see the map and know. Forests, crop, what is the type of crop and minerals in that place, we can come to know from the map. Maps also tell us about the major routes of transportation like airways, railways and roadways also. They are easy to carry along as they can be easily folded or rolled. We can carry it anywhere along with us by folding and rolling it. because it is very light to carry. They can even be included in books for ready reference. If it is given in any book, we can carry that book also, and we can open the book and refer that particular map. They are of many types to suit our specific needs, like a road map or a community map. Atlas. What is an atlas? An atlas is a collection of maps of different types in the form of a book. Atlas means a book in which there is a collection of maps. That book is called as Atlas. Atlas was the name of a Greek god who is believed to have carried the whole world on his shoulders. So, on his name only this book's name has been given, because it carries maps inside this book. Types of maps. Maps are of many types. Maps are not only of one type, it is of many types. Some gives us detailed information about a particular place only, and while the others tell us about larger areas like a country, state. Some of the main types of maps are political maps. The political maps show different countries or different states in a country. They also show national and state boundaries. The map in which you see the countries, states, different states boundaries, that map is called political map. The next is physical maps. The physical maps show physical feature of a place like the mountains, rivers, plateaus and other landforms. This type of map you can see the physical features, mountains, rivers, plateaus and different types of landforms. And the next type of map is subject specific maps. It is based on some subjects. It shows the specific feature of a place. For example, a map showing the amount of rainfall in different areas, a map showing the population of different areas, a map showing the crops grown in different parts of a country. So these type of theme based maps are called thematic maps. Map making. How maps are made. A map is made with great caution. We have to take lots of things. We have to keep in our mind lots of things to draw a map, to prepare a map. And we need lots of accuracy, because we can't make mistake to make a map. The science of making maps is called cartography. So the science behind to make a map, it is called cartography. So what is cartography? Yes, the science of making maps is called cartography. It is derived from the French word carte, means map, and the Greek word graphia, meaning writing. Graphia meaning writing. A cartographer is a specialist who gathers and analyzes information and then makes a map. A person who prepares the map, he gathers means he collects lots of information, and after collection of information he analyzes them, and then with lots of accurate calculation he prepares a map, and it is the process which takes time. It takes time to prepare a map. How to read a map? A map has its own language. Reading a map is a lot of fun. But before that, you need to understand certain symbols and features related to it. We can learn to read map, but before that we need to understand the symbols and features which are related to it. So some of the main elements are, we can describe, the first main thing is directions. If we have to read the map, before reading map we should know the directions. How many directions are there? There are 4 major directions: north, south, east and west. Towards our top, on any map, towards the top it shows north, towards the bottom it shows south, towards our right side always shows east, and towards our left side it always shows west. There are 4 sub-directions between the 4 main directions. 4 main directions are there and 4 sub-directions are also there. Northeast, it lies between north and east. Northwest, it lies between north and west. Southeast, it lies between south and east. Southwest, it lies between south and west. The top of all the maps points to the north, while the bottom points to the south. East lies towards the right, while the west lies to the left. And a compass is always shown on maps to indicate their direction. Through compass, we come to know the direction, and in all the maps, compass shows the direction. So children, we have discussed about the topics globe and maps. How are maps useful for us? What is atlas? Types of maps. Map making, how to make a map. How to read a map. What are the directions? What are the 4 main directions? These all we have covered in this chapter. The rest of the topics we will discuss in our next video. So till then, have a nice day.